So today we're gonna try to fix this seat. It's not exactly on there. I'm gonna try to get some of that hype glue, that they hype about, that Gorilla Glue, to see if it works. But I don't know if she'll overdo it or what. I mean, it's kind of rough. I mean, I don't know if the seat will break or crack or what. I mean, it's already ruined anyway, so. But I'm gonna try to get it to work. But what I'm gonna do is clean this up a little bit around the edges. I'm gonna clamp it up. I got some clamps. So, yeah. So here it is, and what I'm going to do is just go around the rim of the seat on the top and bottom. So I'm going to hold it down with some wood and clamp it on. We'll try it out. There's a lot of hype on this, but we'll see if it works. The seat is kind of, I don't know. I put a little pressure on it and it wants to crack. So, I don't know. Hopefully the seat will hold up to it. That'd be my other problem. So, other than that, I mean, I was thinking about just putting a zip tie to the back and put 2 holes out just to keep it to stay there. But we'll see if this stuff works or not. So it says to damp it, glue it, clamp it. I just put some water around it just to kind of, it says water, but we'll see what happens. But my plan is just to kind of put a little thin layer around it. I've never used this stuff before, so I don't know. Hopefully the seat don't. An extra layer around there. I'll do the top too. I did put a pretty good layer on that. Hopefully it holds. So I'm gonna put a clamp on it, see what happens. I did put some on the seat for extra. Why not? So I got the front one down clamped. So I'm gonna try this. So we got most of it all clamped up. This seat don't like to flex. Anyways, so it is clamped up. A hard seat to work with because there's such a big groove like right here, so the board wants to slip up. But I'm gonna put another line of glue across the top of this. Hopefully it holds better, but we're gonna let it set for like 24 hours, see how it works. So that's kind of like what it does right now. Hopefully it works out. So, it's been about 2 days. We're gonna unlock this. Hopefully she'll stay. It kind of peeled up some like this, but I'm gonna just paint it probably this, but seemed to do a pretty good job. But we'll know when we take this apart if it's gonna work or not. kind of screwed this up, but maybe she'll flex back. This plastic stuff kind of iffy anyways, breaking or not. But I did it wherever I could. I'm gonna kind of chisel off what ain't supposed to be there. Cut it off or something. But it's on there. Seems pretty solid. It's better than no seat, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna put some black tape across this to kind of make it look a little bit better. This is kind of messed up a little bit. Maybe when the sun hits it for an hour or two, it'll come back. So I'm gonna put tape on this right here, black tape. You won't notice. Look a little bit better than that. So, seemed to hold so far. Seems pretty solid on there. I'm gonna paint it black so you don't see all this yellow stuff. That Gorilla Glue had some hype. I guess it held to it. It works pretty good, it seems. I didn't know if this thing was gonna work or not. Seems pretty strong stuff. I got it at Harbor Freight for $8. So to fix this, then it's probably worth it. But we'll see. See what happens. Let's give it a couple days and see if she'll still hold. I'll let you know. And there it is. It came with the box, but I did put that glue stuff on the seat. It seemed to work all right. Pretty strong stuff. I'm pretty surprised, but the hype is real on it. And I just sprayed it a little bit of black. Then there's other spot that I needed to just put stuff on so it wouldn't spread. Some thick black duct tape. But yeah, that's what it is. The seat stuff worked. Just to do a little bit of glue, press it on there. Did come with this basket, whatever. But yeah, runs pretty good. That's how you would fix a seat for a simple way. But thanks for watching and God bless.